Schedule Builders, this tutorial is on how you can create facilities and what facilities are in your scheduling engine. So some schools don't have to worry about this, right? Some schools, there's enough rooms that each teacher has their own classroom. So just handling where courses are going to go by teacher preferred room is fine. The high schools for sure don't have that. So you may or may not want to use facilities as a way to ensure certain courses end up in certain rooms, or to ensure only certain courses end up in certain rooms. So in other words, it's a way that we can designate that a room is special, and a way to designate that a course requires a special type of room. So I'm going to show you in this video how to make a facility and how to delete a facility, and then later when you look at course setup and you look at room setup, you'll see where you put them in. Okay? So first thing we're going to do is, once you're in PowerScheduler at your school, you're going to go under Scheduling Setup, and you're going to come down to the Facilities link. In the Facilities link, you can see all the facilities that you currently have. This is a long list. That doesn't make it bad. This means you have a lot of classes that you're trying to make sure end up in very specific locations, or you're trying to lock a room down so only certain classes land in that location. This is one way to do that. If you want to make a new facility, let's say we come up with a brand new class and you want it to schedule in a very specific room because the room has things that other rooms don't, you would come in and click New, and when you make a facility, all it is giving it a name. You want it to make sense. So let's say you were having a guest facility, right? So this doesn't make any sense, I know, but let's say you just have a room that's available for guests. Okay, maybe it's the learning stairs, and you want classes that are going to be like biomedical sciences, because you know part of that curriculum is to bring a guest in 3 times a week, making this up. So you want to have a room that's conducive to some guest lecturer coming in. You make it a guest facility, hit submit, and lo and behold, there it is right there. And that now is available to assign to courses and to rooms. Okay, well, let's say we do this for 1 year. We come back next year, it's still sitting there, and we said that was a terrible idea, we're never doing that again. What we would want to do is we would want to go ahead and go to the classes we had that, courses and rooms that had that as a facility, remove that link, and then come back to your facilities list, click on the one you want to get rid of, and click delete. Now the good news is, if you delete a facility and forget to dissociate it from a course or a room, when you do your build validate, it'll tell you, hey, this room's got this facility listed that's not good anymore, right? There's no facility that exists. So there's different things that'll help you out with. But that is that's how facilities work in a nutshell. There will be, if you look at the how to set up rooms and how to set up courses videos, there will be a spot that shows you where you mark facilities and how to do so. Thank you.